Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a full respray on this Challenger. Let's begin. Welcome back, guys. Now if you're new, welcome to my channel. We're gonna be doing a full respray on this Challenger. You might say, why does it need a full respray? Well, this car was painted candy. I don't know by who, I don't know how long ago, but it does have some design flames, and most of the problem is that the clear cracked right there. There's a lot of places where the clear cracked or failed, and also this candy is already getting burnt really bad. Also that whoever shot the candy did not a very good job. There's a lot of blotchiness on the candy, a lot of different tones. So we're gonna redo it. We're gonna redo it the correct way, the right way. But first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna assess what's wrong with it. All right, so let's just take a look at what's wrong. If there's any dents or if there's any imperfections, we gotta take care of that. I already showed you the crack clear coat. Now, if you guys, I've never ever seen that. Never in my 35 years of painting, I have never seen this, that the clear just cracks. And I painted custom cars, show cars with a bunch of clear metal flakes and stuff, and they don't crack. I don't know if you guys have any ideas. Leave it on the comments below as to what might have happened. But we're gonna have to get this car done the right way. First of all, this car is intact. It's got no damage. There is a dent right there that I can see. That's basically it. So now that we assess that there's no dents, major dents, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start removing the white body, the flares, all right, from this Challenger. Let me show you how it's done. In order to remove the flares, they're extremely easy. They do have one pin that's right here on the bottom inside. That's it. There's gonna be maybe another one, I'm not too sure. No, that's it. So let's all we're gonna do, try it out. There it is, guys. Luckily none of the, well, some of them broke, which I already knew. And this is another thing that I wanted to show you, that they didn't remove them to paint it. They just painted over them, which on a candy paint job, you need to have everything installed so that you can get a uniform color all the way. But what they could have done is separated it. They could have separated it, sanded all this down, separated the white body a little bit so that you can get paint underneath. And not this way. That's not the correct way. But everybody has its ways, everybody does it different. But that's the way you remove the white body. let me do it on the other side. There it is, same thing. Same thing. Now, let's do the back. Let me show you how it's done. There it is. That is how you remove the white body from a Challenger. Now it's kind of scary how quick it is to remove, if you know what I mean. So just be aware of that, guys. Also, guys, if you saw this, that's not for this car. That's for my mini truck. So if you haven't guessed what color it is, it's coming soon. I got everything here already. All right, and where did I get it from? There you go, guys, the coating store, Eurochem. That's what's going on my mini truck. All right, so let's just continue. What's next? Now what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna test how to remove this cracking on the clear. I am gonna use my DA with an interface pad and 180 grit on it. Let's see how quick it is to remove. Also, I need to remove the designs from the flames that they did. I can feel them, and we don't want that on the next paint job. So let me test this out. If it doesn't work with 180, I'm gonna have to go with 80 grit. But I don't want to go that course right now, so let me just try this. Just as I suspected, it's not going to come out. Now for the design, it did come out with the 180 for the flames, but not for this, not for the cracks. So let me go with 80 grit. Let's see what happens. Okay, the way I was doing it with 180 didn't work. With the interface pad didn't work. So I removed the interface pad. I applied 80 grit. Well, actually I was doing it with the interface pad with 80 grit. It wasn't working. So I removed the interface pad just by itself with 80 grit, and it did eliminate it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to apply some primer to it just to block it. I don't want any like waves on it, but I think that'll do it. Do it with the without the interface pad and with 80 grit. Smooth it out, then come back, start sanding it, put some primer on it, and just block it. That should take care of that. On this one, I'm gonna have to remove the handle. I don't want to damage the handle. The handle is plastic, so I don't want to damage it. So I'm gonna have to remove it. I'm gonna remove the doors also, but yeah, that's how it's gonna work. I did this one also, and yeah, it's working. It's working with the 80 grit. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna start sanding the bulk of the car, whatever I don't need to do that. So I'm gonna start sanding everything that that I can. I'm not gonna sand the bumpers yet. I can sand all this side, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna start with 180 grit with the interface pad and sand everything right now. You saw me sand this area. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sand the entire car, excluding that door, but I'm gonna sand the entire car. I'm gonna remove the back bumper. I'm not gonna show how I'm gonna remove it. There's a lot of videos explaining how to remove back bumpers from a Challenger. So I'm gonna finish sanding everything else, and I'll bring you back. I don't wanna have you just see me sand the entire car, so I'll bring you back once everything has been sanded. Okay, the back bumper has been removed. Now I can start sanding the entire thing and get it ready for paint. But this is gonna be it for this video, guys. I don't want to make the videos too long, because I've noticed that you guys don't watch the whole video. You skip around, and it tells me that you don't want long videos. So this is gonna be it for this one. This is part 1 of this respray on this Challenger. So if you want to see part 2, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, guys, so you don't miss anything. Also, I hope you guys learned something from this video. That's one of my key points, for you to learn something. So that's it, guys. All right, if you're not a subscriber, again, subscribe to the channel. Let's try to reach that 200K before the end of the year. All right, guys, thank you very much. Like always, I'll see you this coming weekend. I am going to continue with this car, and it's by that time it's going to be sanded completely with 180. So that's where we're going to come back. All right, so thank you very much, guys. I'll see you this weekend. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway.